But Moffat better win this. The 2018 NASCAR Truck Series champion. Coming 2 laps to go. I don't think they're gonna be able to make it back. Sorry, I just doubt it. Oh! Oh, big crash. Oh, a 20 hard into the wall. It's just like last year's finish. You see the people on the scooters? And you're fine. That was a hard ass hit for Greg Van Os. Hey, buddy.
He drove it. Big hit for the 88. That's where it looked like this whole incident began.
Was it fucking lifting up the whole fucking fender? Like, But, no, ropity doper. Truck looks so fucking weird. The back end is.
Couldn't quite do it. Couldn't quite get to the end.
Oh, come on, Sanchez. Cheese. Boom. No, horsey body doll.
Our job is to report as experienced racers what we see causes wrecks, and this is just a situation where it's a chain reaction. One guy thinks he can get in a hole, and another guy doesn't think there's room, and things go all to pieces. Whether you hang that on Matt Crafton or if you hang it on Sanchez, certainly
I'm hanging on both.
For space,
a little bit of space.
Brett Holmes took a break. Brett's had a great run here.
Look at all these trucks.
Hard contact.
12 to 15 with contact.
Still working.
Hard contact.
Watch Greg Van Ost. He's there, I think. Look at this. Oh, come on. You can see the back of the truck lift up a little bit, but that was a tail. Oh, Jesus.
But if I'm Sanchez, I'm like, well, I was trying to get in the middle and there was room.
There we go.
Huge hit from Greg Van Alst. Head on.
Yeah. Someone in Talladega Discord said Tony hit it bad for real.
New to the truck series and a
Boom.
huge hit for him. Brett Holmes hoping for redemption. Finished third here last year.
Oh, yeah, because Willard's from the second. Somehow.
Raja emerged pretty unscathed there. Good to see Matt get out of that truck.
Did he stop?
By Sanchez?
Is that the 2 pit box?
I don't know. He's having-
Sanchez? It is.
Yeah, it is.
I believe he was telling them. I told you my opinion of what Matt would think. I think he just explained to him, to them, his opinion.
Oh, by the way,
So a lot of
the way
clearance
Fluge is out again.
here. We will go into NASCAR overtime. It's the 15 of Tanner
Or
Gray.
Fluke's
Tanner led 12 laps in this race. Really did a nice job.
Majeski.
More damage.
Ooh.
He needs to equal that amount of Barabond on the left front now.
Bo's whole fucking engine exposed. I mean, you don't have to worry about overheating.
4th through 7th in the playoff points, separated by just 8 points. That shows you how important every lap is going to be here.
Kiasen Osava. Ah, fuck. It's a nice ass truck. Now you fucking set, mate. Look at it. Go. Ba-da-dum-bum-bum.
4 tires come off the ground.
3. There's only 3 tires off. That one was still on.
Is a part of this mix. See what he sees.
Wayne Dale Scope. Wow, he just got driven through.
He sees a mess.
He was so quick. He had a little bit of contact. Goes through the grass. I'm not sure he had a contact, you see him.
Yeah, he's fine.